Hey everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I was going to try to go live and do day 16, 17, 18, but my camera keeps screwing up, or it's YouTube. I have no idea what's going on because now I'm recording like this and it's fine. So I don't know what it is. So here's a project share. I'm going to share day 16 and 17, and I'm going to do 18 by itself and load it for tomorrow. So here's day 16. Just a cute little tag. Day 17's little to and from tags for next year. I'll save them for next year. I never buy tags because I always can make them. And I usually make them for this year's will be next year's. And then next year's will be because I didn't need any. I think I used every one up from last year. So that is day 16 and 17. And I am really sorry about what's going on. I don't know. I try to figure it out and see what happens. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And Merry Christmas and bye for now.